Have you ever noticed that in Myanmar, people don't just call someone by their name alone? Instead, you will hear Khmer, Masu, Daw Mya, Uba. So, are those parts of their name? Not exactly. Today, you will learn how Burmese titles work, who to use them for, and how these titles are important in Myanmar culture. Let's get started. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to use Burmese title correctly, and you can say someone's name politely, and you will understand the unique part of Myanmar culture. These titles will help you sound more natural and show respect when speaking Burmese. Let's look at the pattern first. Don't worry, it's simple. Title plus name. The title always comes before the person name. Unlike English, Burmese titles are used as parts of everyday conversation. Now, let's learn the title for male. There are three types of title for male: Maung, Go, U. We use the different title according to their age. So let's start from Maung. We use Maung for boys or young males. For example, Maung Ang Du. Here it is. You can see and you can say Maung Ang Du. The spelling is MG. We always call the younger boy with the title Maung. Maung Ang Du, Maung Kan Lu, Maung Tu Da. Do you get it? Go is the most common title for young adult men. If you are not sure which title to use for an adult man, Go is the safe and polite choice to use. Example, Go Min So, Go Tu Da, Go Tu Ra. We use U for older man or respected man. For example, teachers, doctor, or senior professional, you can use U. For example, U Wen Kai, U Mya Jai. Let's repeat together. Ma, Ma, Go, Go, U, U. We use Ma for the girls and younger women. For example, Masusu, Masuyadi, Mayadi. We use Daw for older women and the woman we respect. For example, Daw Mya Ji, Daw Kinenzi. So let's practice it. Ma, Ma, Daw, Daw. Good. Let's look at some example. Maung Ang Du, Go Min Kan, U Wen Kai, Masu Su, Daw Mya Ji. You will notice the title always comes before the names. Try reading them aloud with me. Maung Ang Du, Go Min Kan, U Wen Kai, Masu Su, Daw Mya Ji. Now, imagine this is a family photo. I will introduce them to you. Let's start from Grandpa. This is the grandpa. His name is U Ang Dan. U Ang Dan. And here is the grandma, Daw Tong Ji. Daw Tong Ji. Here is the dad, Go Mian Sui. Go Mian Sui. Here is mom, Ma La Dan. Ma La Tan. Here is the girl. Ma Su Yadi. Ma Su Yadi. The last one is the boy. Maung Ni Le. Maung Ni Le. When introducing people in Myanmar, we usually include their title because it sounds much more polite. Here is today's catch tip. In Myanmar, calling an older person only by their names can sound rude. For example, instead of saying that La Dan, we have to call U La Dan. And instead of calling La Ji, we have to call Daw La Ji. Sometimes people also use family-like title such as Ule, Dole to show respect and politeness. Using the correct title is a simple way to show good manners in Myanmar. Now it's your turn to practice. What title would you use for a 25 years old Jotu? Good. Good Jotu. You're right. And let's go to this one. How will you call 65 years old Maung? Yes, Daw Mya. And how will you call retired teacher Mya Jai? Mya Jai. And here is the last one. How will you call 12 years old Nanda? You're correct. Mananda. Great job. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. See you in the next video. Ta-da!